I'm a sixth grader at Farmville Station Middle School, and I'm a girl. I'm not a girl because I like pink and wearing dresses, because I don't like either. And a number of my friends feel the same way. But we are girls because we are female. Gender identity says that a girl's personality is what is on a list, and that if you like this and do that, it means you are a girl, even if you are born a boy. This is wrong. For that reason, I ask that you remove the gender identity language from equal opportunities policy. In addition, I'm a very private person, and so are a lot of other girls. I was very uncomfortable at first when we were forced to get dressed in the locker rooms in front of other girls, and it took me a while before I got used to it. Now you expect girls to get dressed in front of biological boys? You get dressed in front of other girls, that is one thing, but it's a completely different thing to get dressed in front of the opposite sex. You have no right to do that to us. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm a transgender woman who attends Woodgrove High School here in Loudoun County Public Schools, and I've come to say that you should definitely adopt this legislation.
So what we're voting on is insertion in line 14 after the word commitment. This would maintain current restroom, locker room, and field trip policy, which will remain unchanged until changed by the school board. Okay. All those in favor of the motion, please say aye and raise your hand. Aye. All those opposed? That motion will fail 4-5 with Ms. Maloney, Ms. Kroll, Ms. Huck, Ms. Sheridan, and Mr. Marshall opposed.